Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to set up and manage bill payments using the Bank of America mobile app so you can pay your bills easily and on time. To get started, open the Bank of America mobile app and log into your account. If you don't have the app yet, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once you're logged in, tap on Pay and Transfer from the main menu. From there, select Pay Bills to open the Bill Pay section. If you've already set up payees, you'll see them listed on the screen. Tap Go to Bill Pay to continue. If you need to add a new biller, scroll down and tap Add a new payee, then follow the on-screen steps to enter the company or person you want to pay. To make a payment, tap the circle next to the payee you want to pay. You can select more than one payee if needed. After selecting the payee, tap Pay. Next, choose the account you want to pay from, enter the payment amount, select the payment frequency, and choose the delivery or payment date. You can also add a note for your records. For some bills, you'll have the option to set up recurring payments on a schedule you choose. Once everything looks correct, tap Pay to submit the payment. On the confirmation screen, you can save, print, or email the payment details. Tap Done to return to the Bill Pay screen. You can view upcoming, completed, or scheduled payments anytime by going to the Activity tab in Bill Pay. Keep in mind that money won't leave your account before the scheduled payment date, but if a paper check is required, funds may be withdrawn earlier to ensure on-time delivery. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you set up and manage bill payments with Bank of America, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.